Hey there, it's me Faisal Jaman, and today's video will be this client requirement video. Actually, this is my client actually wants to create a website from me, and actually this is a tricky part wants to share with you. That is, he actually need some information from their customer but audience. That is, he actually need in as an input the customer name, age, and people phone number, and most importantly checkbox field. In this checkbox, actually he wants to set this message: yes, I sign in the pledge to help prevent violence. This is the text, and there is no password requirement over here. And the second term is actually he needs wants actually two email. One is business mail, one is personal mail. When sign up the form, and this message will go to multiple email, where you can add 3 or 4 email on your plugin or on your setup. Okay, so now I will share with you that is. So if you think this video will be very interesting, you just subscribe to my YouTube channel and comment below and this video helpful or not. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, you have to install contact form 7. This is the contact form 7 you have to install. I have already installed this one, and these are the contract form 7, and you just click the activate. It will automatically activate it, and the contract form will be, these are the contract form actually I have already designed, and first name and age and phone number, and these are the sign pop-up option, checkbox option. And also click this checkbox, and here as you can see, you do not empty each and every box. Okay, so make sure you have to fill all those box. Okay, so then when you install the contract form 7, just go to the contact, this option, just click contact, and here make sure that I have already create a contact form. So if you want to create a new one, just click add new. Okay, so I'm just clicking the edit option, and here actually I don't want to waste my time, and these are the form, these are the info contract information, and I will give you this code for you actually on my description box, so you can use it, but I will share with you one item. Okay, so if you need any of checkbox, any of input, all those input button actually. So if you need radio button, if you need text button, email button, whatever actually want, you just click this one. Okay, first one, if you wanna use this box and your name, so name should be text, so these are the text field, and here as you can see, this is your email, your name is actually level. So first you have to wrap the level. So this is the HTML structure. HTML structure should start, we know, and close the level. And in this level, you just use this level name, your name, that will be your name, and enter your name or first name, that will be anything. And you can you can do this separately. And now here what you're gonna do, if you need email, you just click this one, and if you need URL, number, whatever you actually want. I need text, right? So I'm just clicking this text, and this text will be required or not. So this field only required. As you can see, if your customer empty this box, it will automatically showing an error, that is, please fill out the field. So these are the required field. So if you just click check this option, just click insert, and you don't need this text. And here you can see, you can copy this text and paste it over here. Done. And these are the one level is complete, and you can set another one, age, phone number, and lastly the button of the submit. These are the submit button. So submit button, how you can do it, just click this button, submit, and these are level. So level should be submit, it should be MIT. Just click insert, and this is the submit. So I have told you the one option, that is the name. You can whatever actually need, you can do it just clicking this button. Okay, I'm just delete all this code and click save. So if you see any error, you will see over here there is one error should over here. So where actually that error, you just fix it. Okay, so now let's jump to the second part, that is he actually need to message should directly come actually there his business mail or personal mail, right? So these are the mail option, and here as you can see these are two. I have already set 3 email for texting purpose. These are the business mail, these are the Gmail, these are the Yahoo. Okay, I have set it. So once more important thing is here each and every email in a each and every email between has a comma. These are the comma, these are the comma, so make sure this have to insert the comma. And then if you see here has error, so if you have any text or character, you just delete the character, just flick a blank, and this is the actually header, additional header. I don't need additional header. Okay, so just click save. All done. So when and now is the how to insert it on a page. Just going to contact, and these are the contact form shortcode, and going to page option, and I have page that is contact and create edit with Elementor. I have used Elementor actually, and so here I have already file uploaded. Just click plus icon and take a structure, and these are I will take the short code short code. These are the paste the code that I have copied from the contract form 7. Just click update, and going to contract form page. These are the here you can see 2 form showing is over here. Just click insert the information over here, and automatically going to there to your email, whatever actually email you set it. So I hope this video will be very helpful. So if you think this video will be very helpful, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and comment below and how this video is important. And if you want to know more this kind of tips and tricks or client requirement problem solving, so I will give you video more and more. So I need your demand, so I need to know about what actually want there guys love, what kind of content you actually love. I actually needs the information from you guys. Just comment below and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much.